Hello, viewers! We all need to earn a lot of money, and I don't imply some $100. We might be capable to make $50,000 or greater attributable to this internet website that I am approximately to reveal you. It's an exceptional internet website. However, what makes it more good, you will now no longer be required to install a number of attempts or time right here to be qualified. But earlier than we move, in addition to this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and bell icon so that you will be notified on every occasion whenever I add a brand new video. Let's get started with the brand new video. You're probably already familiar with the first website. You should visit Amazon.com is the name of the website. You may simply Google Amazon and find what you're looking for, or you may also just type Amazon.com. Kindle ebooks into your browser and it will take you to the Amazon Kindle. And yes, Amazon will be the one to compensate you with what I said. I will now demonstrate how you can profit from Amazon. There are no skills required and there is very little effort involved. Before I begin, let me state the Amazon is one of the most powerful corporations in the world. Over 2 billion users have visited the website. Its popularity had spread throughout the world, particularly in the United States. If you're wondering what Amazon Kindle is, it's a division of Amazon.com that sells books. It's a website where people sell various types of ebooks. Is a very simple way, no difficulties and no hassle. When you upload an ebook to Amazon.com, there are a few things to keep in mind, as simple as that. It will automatically bring traffic to this page. It's also worth noticing that you are paid to offer ebooks on Amazon. When someone makes a purchase, it's quite profitable. Now have a look at these ebooks that I found, all of which are about American literature. And you can see that this guy is offering this ebook with over 7,000 ratings for $14. If you think about it, the person has made a sizable sum of money ranging from about $100,000. Again, all the user will submit to ebook to this site with ease. See, that's exactly what I said before selling ebooks. Will you allow to make thousands of dollars? And the fact that you can do it at your leisure with no effort required makes it more appealing than the alternatives. The fact that Amazon is extensively used all over the world make it much more appealing. You may currently believe it is difficult for you to achieve it because you are not a writer or have no prior expertise with ebooks. And that is why I will show you another platform that will undoubtedly assist you in polishing your skill. First and foremost, you do not need to join up with Amazon Kindle. In order to publish anything, you will navigate to kdp.amazon.com. To publish anything, you will navigate to kdp.amazon.com. You can see on this page that publishing your ebook will only take you 5 minutes. In the next 24 to 48 hours, it will be available for purchase on Amazon Kindle. Now you must return to the top of the page and click the sign up option, after which they will ask you to sign in. You will click the create your KDP account button because you don't have one yet. Then you will be asked to fill in the information while making your account. And once you have finished, simply click create your KDP account. And then you're done. It's simple as 1, 2, 3 now that you have created your account already. You are now free to publish ebooks. So let's go on to the second website. If you're not really into writing, simply put, this site will assist you in obtaining ebooks. After that, you will be able to resell them. This website that I'm referring to has aided people in the digital market and making more money. They had anticipated without having to invest a large sum of money. The website's name is buyqualityprl.com. You will discover a wide range of digital products that you may use and perhaps profit from you, and may find articles, videos. And of course, ebooks on this site, you can buy an ebooks for $5 to $10 and then sell it on Amazon for a higher price, as you can see, due to Amazon's prominence and legitimacy as a website. Some people made incredible amounts of money selling their ebooks. Just to be clear, this website offers free ebooks. So what I recommend is that you go to this platform, Hover your mouse over the arrow next to Free PLR and then select Free PLR ebooks. This will now display ebooks that are available for free. You might wish to put them on Amazon Kindle immediately. That is what you want to do once you have enough money to buy ebooks on this website. You will notice that this worked for you and you will not be wasting your money. You can reinvest the money you earn from the sales of the premium ebooks you purchased on this website, purchase additional ebooks, and then resell them. That concludes the discussion, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.